Hi, today we'll see how you can mask values in DataWeave. So we have this payload and it contains the personal data of individuals. Here you see SSN number and credit card number. We need to mask these values before we process this or store this in database. So how can we do that? Earlier, the approach we follow is to iterate through this array and find the actual field that we need to mask and then do replace. But with this mask function, you can do it very easily. The mask function will handle everything by itself. And for example, we have this nested field. It can also be handled without writing additional logic. So to mask, for example, the SSN value, you simply have to import mask operator from value utilities. Once you do that, you need to use it. Like for example, payload mask. Write the value name for now. We have SSN, and once this is done, you have to provide the value you want to replace it with, and it could be anything. So for now, we'll just use the stars, and so we replace the SSN with star, and here you can see these values are replaced entirely. But there can be a use case in future where you need to mask only certain values. For example, we have this credit card number, so we only want to mask the first 12 values and keep the last four values as they are. So to do that, we need to do certain things. First of all, we need to remove this, and we have to use a lambda function. For example, we write values. You can write here anything because we are going to reference it later. So we start with asterisk, so we need 12 asterisks, and now we need to keep the last four digit of that credit card. So what we are going to do, we are going to do plus plus, and we will access the values, which is nothing but the value of this CC number, and just do some array operator like -4 to -1. This will give us the last four digit, and here as you can see, these are the last four digit, and it shouldn't be SSN, it should be CC number. So now you see the CC number is replaced with asterisk plus the last four digit.